Hello, welcome back to Sherry's Crafting and More Facebook page and YouTube channel. Today I created a beautiful metal flower made out of Dollar Tree cookie sheets. They're $1.25 for two. I bought four, and I used I drew a couple of templates and just cut them out with scissors. Then I used Waverly Chalk paint, hazelnut on the outside of the flower, cream on the inside. Then just cut out some cardboard for the middle, hot glued it all together, and voila, you have a beautiful metal flower. I'm doing my Easter/Spring series. Last couple of videos, I made a beautiful Easter cross and a beautiful Easter sign, and I am wearing spring clothes to bring a little sunshine and beauty into the house. And just thank you so much for joining me, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page, Sherry's Crafting and More. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful day. Bye.